So today I'm gonna show you guys how to change ringtone on your iPhone. First thing first, everybody should have GarageBand. Mine's right here, right? And then the next thing you need to know is what ringtones do you want on your iPhone. So I'm gonna download it from Safari. I'm just gonna use Yummy Yummy Instrumental. Make sure you put like MP3 download, right? Before you can actually download anything. I did a research before making this video, so I'm gonna download from this site right here. All right. All right, and then just making sure it is the right song. Okay, this is it. So the next thing is like hit the download button. All right, do you want to download? Yes, I want to download. Okay, download. All right, with this thing in right here, download thingy. I know that my file has been downloaded. If you want to look at in the folder, it's like, okay, this one's right here. The next thing I want to go is to my GarageBand right here. Yeah, this will be the default, all right, but I want to go to audio recorder. All right, let me get the audio recorder, and so this one, just hit OK, and on the over here there's like metronome sound, which is like click sound, so make sure you turn it off. After this, you're gonna click on this like wall looking thingy down over here. All right, it will create this one. Make sure you hit on this loop looking thingy so that you can get your file. So I downloaded the file and it'll be right here. So what you have to do is like click and drag it right here. Boom, good to go. I don't know what the top one. All right, and then the next thing you have to do is like click on this plus sign right here. All right, and usually the ringtones are like 30 seconds, so make sure you put it in like 30 seconds. Okay, good to go. And if you want to like trim the songs or anything, just like copy, cut, delete, trim. So let's do a trim right here, and then I want to make sure I get like the full song and then loop it again, right? Okay, after you're all good to go, hit on this thing right here and my song. Okay, it says like my song right here, and what you have to do after this one is like click and then share, and what you want to make do right here is click on the ringtone. All right, ringtone needs to be adjusted because like 30 seconds. Okay, okay, name of the ringtone, I'm just gonna put is like yummy, then done, and then export. Okay, exporting as ringtone. All right, just wait for a while. All right, it says like use sound as. From here you can either go from here or you can go to the settings, sound on haptics, and then ringtone, and it will be right here. All right, this is how you change the ringtone on your iPhone. Hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you again next time.